has gone wrong. I need to lock something. Yeah, here I need to lock this as well. Now I can copy these formula, and it tells me that in physics Greg has the maximum score, which is 94, and in chemistry Barb has the maximum score, which is 97. Similarly, if you want to find out what's the highest score, what's the total number of students who have scored more than 80, then you can do that by using the count function. So again, the first step would be to fetch this entire record. So let me use next lookup formula. My lookup value would be this subject here. My lookup array would be these. Let me press F4 to lock this. And my return array would be this entire range. Let me again press F4 to lock this. And now it gives me all these values. And in this, I'm going to use a simple count if formula. So here I would use count if. My range would be all these numbers, and my criteria